Hello traders, this is Mac Billion. Today is February 2nd, 2017, and let's talk about the market. Let's start with Caterpillar. Caterpillar, as you can see here, is trending inside this uptrend channel. It went to Fibonacci 98.65 and it looks like it fails. It's major resistance right there. However, it's very strong, and I think as long as it keeps inside this channel, it's a buy. If you break down outside this channel, then I would say that it's a sell and it's gonna go to $77. Right here, since ADX is up 14, I would say that there's high probability that we're gonna move just sideways between $98 and $90 until there's a major news. But overall, Caterpillar is a buy right here, and the stop loss is the uptrend bottom of the channel. Now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about another one that a lot of people are talking about. Starbucks. So look at this. Starbucks is making lower highs inside this, let's say, downtrend channel. Is not really downtrend channel. It looks like a flat, and it's trending inside there. And right now is bearish, and I think it's gonna go to the bottom, which is my target around 49 or 50. So I think it's gonna go there. Now it's bearish, it's not bullish, it's not the time to buy here. Maybe if it goes to the bottom, then I will think about going long. However, if you break down this channel right here, that's the kind of trade I wanted to enter. If you break down this bottom, this thing is gonna go to $39 or $40. I think Starbucks is bearish right now, so I'm gonna wait to see if it break down right here, or another trade will be if it goes to the top of the channel, will be another trade to go short, not long. Now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about Macy's. Macy's is a complicated chart. It has been moving sideways between $45 and $30. You see, it went to 45 back in March 2016, and then it went up to the same price, 45, in November. And right now, it's right there at $30. So let me show you something. Look at the support if you break down below this level. Nothing. There's no support if you break down below $29. So if you break down $29, what are you going to do? Go short. Easy trade. You just have to be very careful, because since it's major support, you have to be very disciplined entering and honor your stop. If, let's say, you break down 29, start moving up down, and then flip back up and start moving about the $29, then you have to honor your stop, because it might want to go to $38 or $45. So that's the key. You have to be very disciplined in your stop loss. It's a nice trade if you get it below 29 to go short, probably to $20 or $19. But if you revert in your face, you have to get out. Now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about Amazon. Today, Amazon report. Look at how beautiful it went to my Fibonacci 802. It went back down and it bounced, and it looks like it's moving sideways right here after hours. So what will be a trade tomorrow? I think if it trades below $800, this thing is a short. I have puts in Amazon for swing trade, but tomorrow if it trade below $800, that thing is gonna go probably to 778 tomorrow. And for a long term, for swing trade, my target is another one. Let me show you my target. I think long term is gonna go to another level. I think it's gonna go, let me show you. So this is a daily chart, 3 years. It's gonna go to the bottom of this uptrend channel. It's gonna go around 640, 650. That's my target. There's some support right here in this trend, but I think the major target is right here around 650. Right now, you see the DMI is bullish because it hasn't It hasn't opened, but tomorrow when it opens, we're gonna see a nice crossover. And if you break down below 800, then you have your target right here for day trade, which is 77.78. But for long-term swing trade, your target is 650, 640. So now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about the last one. I wanted to talk about this one because I see something very interesting. Is Facebook. So because Facebook report yesterday, I wanted to show you something that I called my attention, and you see right here, the report was not bad, not so good, but right here is holding. It's holding right here. But if we trade below 129, I think this is a perfect trade for a target of 121 and 114. But if we went up, go up and move about 134, it's a loan. Right now DMI is bullish and strong, but being a double top right here and being at the major resistance, you have to be careful. But overall is bullish, and 134 is your number, or 129 is the other number to watch. So let's see what happens, because I'm gonna enter this one. I like Facebook long term. You should have the stock in your long term portfolio. Okay, traders, this is everything for today. Trade on.